And what am I gonna say? What should
Making interesting design isn't about using interesting furnishings. It's about the utility of space and how home makes us feel. After all, the emotions a home evokes is what drives up the price. And this is the person responsible.
Hi, Olga.
Hello, Lucy.
What do you think?
Haha, let me show you. Research consistently shows that staged homes sell faster and for more money.
Well, I could tell you that.
There you go. An average buyer doesn't understand how their furniture will fit into the new space, which wall to hang a TV on, or if their L-shaped couch will look better than a traditional couch.
You hit the nail on the head. Here in this space, we had a low-profile couch facing the focal point of a fireplace.
We've got two lounge chairs positioned on either side of the fireplace, and it not only tends to accentuate the centerpiece of the room, but notice the difference in height between the low lounge chairs and the tall ceilings. That just makes the whole room look much bigger than it actually is.
This is how not to hang a curtain. You don't loop it from that way. So it was here, you can see the seam. If you loop it from the other way, you'll hide the seam. And you put it right here so it never blocks the frame. This is of course for staging. If you were living here, this stops you from covering the window, which is what you want when you're living here. For staging, you want to always showcase the window.
This is an unusually spacious slot for this area.
Hence, we position the sectional couch here to bring the eye to this focal point, but the eye also goes directly to the rest of the yard.
This building is 73 years old. We don't have fancy recessed lighting, so notice how Vanessa staged the home so that every room has an additional light fixture.
Absolutely. Luckily, there is a spot for a single light overhead, but we also add accent lights to the staging. Sorry, I have to explain why I do karate chops. Most people don't realize that the creation of a fluffy and full looking piece creates coziness and comfort.
We've got 936 square feet of living space in this two-bedroom home, and yet it doesn't feel cramped. It feels very light and airy, and we're still not missing any of the life's essentials. We have a normal queen-size bed in here, full-size dining table, extra storage for tchotchkes, decor, whatnot, and a humongous amount of storage in the kitchen. Clean counters, plenty of counter space.
We couldn't see this kitchen before, but now anyone can imagine themselves cooking here.
Proper staging elevates the building's architecture from interesting to amazing. This room, for example, can be very versatile. It can be a kid's room, a hobby room, an office. There's plenty of space. There's a suggestion for an office from the table, and there's a suggestion for a bedroom if it's a kid's room. With just one bathroom, we want the space to speak for itself. Keep it simple.
And all we needed to do in here was give it some nice fresh white towels.
We've created beautiful spaces for practical living in this tiny house. The front porch area is typically missed and unused. It's a perfect spot for morning coffee.
So I suggested the front bush be removed and the log here gone.
This is a good example of how to give a buyer an idea of what could be done with the space. We have 3 outdoor seating areas. Don't let it go unused.
So we brought in a patio dining set.
I really like how it creates a sense of privacy in your own backyard. You've got A seating area here, a seating area there, and they're separated by this beautiful deck and the tree. It's okay.
It didn't break though. What is this? Why is it red?
I have no idea.
I need to know why there's Gatorade in the bird feeder.
The things you don't know.
No wonder why mockingbirds are so hyper.
They can fly backwards and upside down. Have you ever walked into a home and you really liked it, but you didn't understand why?
Home staging stirs up emotions.
That's why. Through storytelling and staging,
This is how we maximize a tiny house.